here and here, just like that. And that's the table dropping to initiate a very soft adjustment. Say, does it feel like much is going on when we do that?
No.
It's very light, right? And that's kind of the goal with pregnancy adjusting, is as light as possible, but still very effective. Which is what most people don't see in all the other videos because it looks very aggressive, right? So check again here, here, just like that. And once we're done with that, we can kind of pull the legs up like this. We're gonna check that tension again, and we want to even it out, make sure both sides feel even, just like that.